Introducing the EKX E6 3000-watt premium electric mountain bike, your ultimate companion for off-road adventures. With its high-capacity 40-amp-hour battery, this bike offers prolonged rides and consistent performance, empowering you to journey farther without the fear of running out of power. Featuring cutting-edge full suspension, the EKX E6 cushions bumps from the toughest terrains, providing a smoother, more enjoyable ride while ensuring outstanding control and grip. Safety first, the bright headlights provide clear vision, while the warm taillights keep you visible, allowing you to ride confidently day or night. Feel the power of the brushless motor delivering a quiet, smooth performance that enhances your riding experience, letting you focus on the thrill of the ride. Keep updated with the user-friendly LCD. Monitor your speed, distance, and battery level, enabling you to fine-tune settings for maximum control and efficiency. Equipped with 19 by 2-inch tires, the EKX E6 provides strong grip and stability on rough trails, ensuring your off-road rides are not only smoother, but more controlled. Are you prepared to enhance your adventures? Don't wait. Visit our website today to order your EKX E6 3000 watts.